Hello everyone, my name is Griselda, and this is my coat of arms. It represents my personality. On this part of my coat of arms, I have drawn a girl doing gymnastics. The girl is red because red is a symbol of passion, and gymnastics is my passion. The background is orange because orange represents happiness, and I'm very happy when I do gymnastics. I do gymnastics 3 times a week, and I love it. Below the girl doing gymnastics, there is a dolphin. I have drawn a dolphin because it represents friendship, and my friends are very important to me. The dolphin is orange because orange represents fun, and when I meet my friends, I am very happy and I have fun with them. The background is turquoise because I like it. Next to the dolphin, there is my family. I have painted my family in red because red symbolizes passion and I really love them. They always help me, and I have painted the background blue because blue is a symbol of security, and when I'm with my family I feel confident. On the left side of my family there is a microphone. I have drawn a microphone because in my free time or on the weekend I like singing. The microphone is pink because I like it, and the background is orange because orange represents happiness, and when I sing I feel happy. Next to the microphone I have drawn some food, pizza and sushi, because this food is my favorite, and the background is pink because I like it. Above my favorite food I have drawn a yin-yang, because I love to draw yin-yangs. And the background is white because I find this color appropriate for this drawing. At the top right of my coat of arms, I have drawn a French flag because I am learning French and I like it. And finally, at the middle, I have drawn the Eiffel Tower because I would like to travel to Paris, and I have painted the Eiffel Tower orange because orange represents adventure, and I think that travel to Paris is an adventure. Bye bye!